Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell or how to send your XRP from your coinMENA account going to your Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so all you have to do is first you have to convert your money here into Ripple. For you to do that, all you have to do is just trade and then just buy XRP and then you will max it out and then just buy. All right, so assuming that you already bought the XRP and you now have this in your account, all you have to do now is to withdraw. Go to crypto, choose XRP, and now for you to put or for you to see what you have to put here, now you have to go to your Binance account, and these are the informations that you have to put in. So for you to get this, go to fiat and spot, choose XRP. Now hit on deposit. Okay, now coin should be Ripple, network should be XRP or Ripple here, and then just click this one, hit OK, and there you will get now your address. So you just have to click this address, go back to coinMENA, and then paste the address here. For the destination tag, copy this one, go back to your coinMENA, and boom, paste. Alright, for the XRP, yeah, just copy whatever you have here, 115.8, I'm gonna max it out. Okay, 879. 1, 2, 2. Alright, I'm gonna max it out. So just hit on withdraw. Now you just have to put your Google Authenticator code for your protection. Okay, and then once it's done, it will now be like this. It will now have the pending status. Usually it takes around like an hour, 30 minutes to about an hour, it depends actually, but once this one actually succeeded, or once this pending has become completed, you should be able to receive that here in your account. Alright, and you will receive that here as XRP also. And then once you receive your XRP here, so from the fiat and spot, you can just directly convert that into USDT. Alright, so yeah, in less than like 5 minutes, alright, I already received the XRP now in my Binance account chain. Wow, okay, so this is my first time. So yes, so this is now your XRP. So all you have to do now here is just convert this into USDT. So look for your XRP and convert to USDT. Right, just have to max this out. and you will get your $70. So hit on convert, and that's it. Congratulations, you now have your earnings from coinMENA that's already been sent to your Binance account. Okay, so now if you want to sell this to P2P, just check my account. I have here a video tutorial on how you can sell your USDT and send this to your UAE bank or to your card. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to give this a like. So thank you so much.